Tech titans may be sparring over growth outlook for the industry, but they have reached a common ground on the placements front. Software lobby NASSCOM has written to all members stating that placements will start from September this year. For the first time, software majors have also agreed to use a common technical test as a prerequisite for all entry-level hirings. Why is this move significant? Let's go across to Chandra Ranganathan, who joins us from the IT Hub Bangalore. Chandra, take us through the details.
Right, the placements will kick off in September, basically in the 7th semester across engineering colleges. The significant part, however, is that for the first time, software majors such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant and HCL have agreed to use the NAC Tech Test or the NASSCOM assessment for competence in technology test as a prerequisite in entry-level hiring. Now, the scores that come out of this test will be calibrated with the internal tests that these companies will then conduct for all the engineering students. Now, NASSCOM has really been pushing this initiative really hard for the last few years because remember, retraining cost is a big cost for all IT companies. All of them keep talking about how the quality of intake is not that great. So NASSCOM believes that this will be an additional filtering mechanism that will improve the quality of intake as far as engineering graduates are concerned. So that's an important development to watch out for in the tech space. Of course, we'll have to wait and see if in the current environment companies will hire in large numbers like they used to in previous years.